Okay, I may be late to this, but people are literally calling Etsy Radar a cheat code for finding winning products. So I put it to the test to see if it actually beats everything else. If this works the way people are claiming, you might not need EverBee, eRank, or any of those things ever again. But if it doesn't, there's a big catch you need to know before you waste your time. If you're new here, hi, I'm Harry with the Print Shop Pro. I test Etsy tools, strategies, and side hustle methods every day, so you don't have to. So please make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of our weekly updated videos. So let's dive in today to a new tool by ProfitTree called Etsy Radar. Let's see if it actually finds profitable products or if it's just hype. So here's how ProfitTree works. It basically maps out product ideas starting with one niche, and then it branches into multiple directions. Instead of you guessing what to sell, it literally shows you opportunities. Think of it like instead of digging for gold randomly, you're given a map of where the gold already is. All right, let's test this in real time. I'm going to start with a basic niche. Let's say dog lovers. Now look at this. These are all product directions coming from one idea. And what I like here is you're not just seeing keywords, you're seeing actual product angles and ways to niche down, which is everything on Etsy. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just about finding ideas. It's about finding ideas that are already working. And that's where this starts to feel like a cheat code. But this is important. This tool does not replace validation. You still need to check demand, competition, and actually good design. So if you think this will just make you money automatically, it won't. But it will save you a ton of time. Now let's talk about the real question. Is this better than EverBee? Here's the difference. EverBee equals data and validation. Etsy Radar equals idea generation and discovery. So honestly, they're not really competitors. They actually work best together. Here's how I would use this if I were starting today. I would use ProfitTree to find niche ideas fast. I then would pick 2 or 3 that stand out, and I would validate them with EverBee. I would then work on creating better designs than what's already ranking. That combo, that's where the real advantage is. The verdict. So, is Etsy Radar a cheat code? Honestly, kind of. Not because it does everything for you, but because it removes the hardest part, which is figuring out what to sell in the first place. If you want to give it a try yourself, I'll leave a link below. And if you want to see how I actually turn these ideas into listings that sell, watch this video right here where I break down my full Etsy listing strategy. Because finding the idea is step 1, but turning it into sales is where most people get stuck.